Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add another page into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add another page into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to have a specific page to different products or different services that you have. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly website. So here on the left, you're going to click on website. After you do that, click on edit site. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the Weebly website editor. And then here on the top left, you're going to click on this drop down menu. Once you do that, you're going to see all the pages that you have in Weebly. But right below it, you're going to see this button, add page. Go ahead and click that. Okay, so here you can go ahead and choose one of the template pages, or you can do what I do and click on blank page. Next, you can go ahead and name the page. This is a cool page. Okay, now if you want this page to be added up here to the top to the navigation, you can leave that checked. If not, you can uncheck it. That's up to you. And then click on add. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we have a new page. If we open up the menu, let me switch over to desktop and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there we have the new page right here, and it's added up here to the top menu as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add another page to your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.